Hi, I'm Madison, or call me Maddie. And for many, many years, for decades, I've worked with the body's energies with some of the most amazing teachers in the world. And if I had to choose one thing that is a game changer, that was a game changer for me, it was learning how to energy test, how to self-test to see what supports my health and what sabotages it. And it's such a passion for me that all my teaching on that is free. So if you're curious about energy testing, for example, your food, I am in the middle of an online series at the moment, which is free. We meet up every 5 or 6 weeks just for half an hour, and I talk about a specific aspect of energy testing food. Today, we're going to talk about testing against a specific problem like lungs or knee or thyroid or a stiff joint or something. Um, it's a little some. It just builds from real beginners all the little nuances, and it's in Aladdin's cave. It could go on forever, I think. And at the end of each recording, I'll send out the replay link, and I also send out the replay links to all the five class. This is the sixth class, so the five classes have gone before, so you can join at any time and catch up. I'm trying to keep classes to half an hour because we're all really pushed for time, although sometimes I get so excited I do go over time, but you can watch it your at your leisure at home. The most important thing is not just to watch it, it is to actually practice energy testing your food, self-testing to see what is going to be supportive and strengthening to you, what is neutral, doesn't really do good or bad for you, but what actually really does stress your body. So if you've missed today's class, not a problem. Make sure you're subscribed to my website newsletter. My website's madisonking.com. To join, you just go to the green box at the bottom of the website pages and you put in your email address and make sure you press subscribe. And then when the next class is being announced, you'll know in advance. And that's how I send the link out, because it's just the easiest thing in the world for me to send one email to all my subscribers so they've got it. And you can either join live or, as I say, you've got replay. But I really hope that you do join, especially if you're new to it, because you're going to love me forever if you're new to it and you discover what an amazing self-care tool this is. And if you're an old hand at energy testing, maybe I can remind you of a few things, or it will be worth your while, I'm sure. But I hope to see you live online. This series will probably go on for the rest of the year. There's so much, there's so many things you can do with it. But for now, from me in what I call the crane zone, bye for now. Got to press stop recording. That's my biggest challenge of the day. Bye bye.